How to change kit in FC Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome to Tech for Gamers. If you are playing FC Mobile and wondering how to change your team's kit, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch the FC Mobile game on your Android or iOS device and sign into your account if needed. Once you're inside the home screen, go ahead and tap on the club icon on the right corner, and from the club menu, click on Locker Room. Inside Locker Room, select Kit. Now, from the available kit options, choose the one you want to change to for your team. You can also change the kit for away or other team members. For my team member, I'm going to use this one over here. And finally, after selecting the kit, click Confirm. Now you can get back and you will be able to change the kit for your players. If you don't see many kits options, you may need to unlock additional ones through events, rewards, or other in-game activities. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.